That's a weird sound. We're stuck! Again. What are you doing?
It's new music. Whoa! Did it just say what I think?
That's going off! Oops. For all our younger audiences out there, we apologize. We didn't know.
But that seriously said what I thought it said.
I'm pretty sure it did.
It said two things. That neither of which were appropriate in any context for a public radio.
There's a lot of songs like that.
Yeah, but it doesn't literally... Okay, I'm not even kidding. Let me just shove a Sprite into some concrete blocks, like BRB.
We're stuck in road construction right now. But I'm not on my phone, so...
I am.
Ashley's allowed to be, because I'm the one driving.
No, I'm driving.
But, you know, I've got to be at work in about an hour. Are you driving?
I'm driving.
We're sorry, the phone fell. Does that scare you when I do that?
Yes! Who? Me or the phone?
Well, it could be. What are you doing?
You can put it in the... Wait, here.
You're gonna hold it now?
I don't know where to put it, because...
This is gonna be an interesting video. For sure.
We don't want to make it, like, too long.
No.
Let me see if I can shove it.
Nope. We're just bored. Sitting in road construction.
Okay, I think this video is over.
We're going bye-bye now.
How do you stop?